Good afternoon, everybody. As you can see, it's just about 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time in the afternoon. Since my Kirby Generation 3 took this carpet real well, we're going to see how well my Sentria will do. This Kirby is from August of 2011. Now, and this is new carpet, so this is the first time I'm actually doing a video on this. And you will see my Generation 3 on this carpet on video one of these days. Ooh, nice and healthy sounding. Ooh, listen to that. Not even hardly working the tack drive at all. It runs a little louder than my older ones does, but it gets the job done. Oh, rock! Nope. I'm not hitting the rock. Now this is the one I got from somebody I used to bowl with. His friend was throwing them out. He was going to throw it out, so. Factory LED headlight. Old carpet versus new. See? See how it's bogging down? I'm actually having to push it a little harder this time. Alright, y'all.